when some post-production make images more splendid. Welcome to our post-production beauty class. This section shows how to perfect a landscape using smart objects for flawless quality. Everyone shoots landscapes. Bright light makes perfect detail hard. Layers can help, but we will use smart objects. Today we use smart objects for ultimate control. This image is an aerial shot of a Zhejiang town. Sky is bright dawn sun, not yet up. Ground mountains are dark. How do we balance tone, color, and detail in post? First step, as we always say, when unsure, open camera roll. Start with auto. Auto fixes exposure, contrast, and color. Auto never gives final look. It lifts shadows and lowers highlights. We now decide if whites and contrast need lift, and whether exposure needs tweak. Let us check, step by step. This lesson focuses on smart objects for detail control. We split into 2 steps. Step 1 sky, step 2 ground. Mountains and land. Sky should be bluer. And we enhance detail. Reduce noise, noise drops. Sharpen slightly. Lower noise depth. After these tweaks, sky is nearly done. Now hold Shift. Shows open object. Opens into Photoshop. We do not stop. We copy the smart object. Double-click to reopen RAW. Back to RAW for second pass. What is this pass for? This pass is for ground. Ground shot. Ground needs warmer light. Temperature and tint can be warmer. Once warmer, I can raise exposure. Contrast, texture, clarity up. Even saturation can pop. Blacks lift slightly. Shadows up. Highlights and whites to minimum. This is our second adjustment. Apply when done. Compare the 2 versions, they differ greatly. Why the steps? Because one step would compromise. Sky would lose blue, water would lose blue. So we keep first pass for blue sky and water, blue tones from pass 1, and use pass 2 for warm ground and sunrise feel. How do we blend? We add a mask. Once added, properties show color range, density, feather. We choose color range. Color range selects highlights. We can add with eyedropper. Add mountain areas. Including highlights. More samples, more selected. After selection, we can lower fuzziness. To refine selection, see the mask. In the selection, as we said, whether selection mask or black, white, gray. Black is protected. White is affected. We see, we selected mountains and clouds. Sky and light blue are not selected, correct. We OK. Then we feather. Raise feather value. If feather is low, problems appear. Low feather. First, noise shows. Second, color blotches do not blend. With high feather, transitions are smooth. Compare the image, full color and tone are restored. We can add a curves layer and set to soft light. What does soft light do? It lifts shadows. and lowers highlights. It softens. It blends midtones only. This removes haze. Without it, image may look clear, but with soft light, you see, gray remains. Blend modes have groups. Normal is obvious. Jargon group multiply color burn linear burn. These work on white backgrounds. White becomes darker. Lighten group works on black. Overlay works on gray. Let us test. Fill with white. Pure white. Multiply makes it disappear. So multiply ignores white. White plus multiply equals invisible. Understand this. Now test black. Black plus green also disappears. Black plus green equals invisible. So black backgrounds in green mode become invisible. When we have black backgrounds and want to blend, we must remove black. So which is green? Now test gray. Pure gray. 50% gray is 808080. Remember 128 with gray, overlay or soft light. Both remove gray. Once we understand, we prepare our backgrounds for compositing. Convert to black, white or gray. Then apply blend mode. This step. After curves. Image is good. No issues. But one small flaw. What flaw? The sun. Sunlight is not warm enough. Too bright. We can double-click the smart object. Then warm up the sun. Warm color grade. Go to color mixer. Pick hue. Toggle adjustment. True. Make it warmer yellower. Red or yellow. Boost saturation. Lower luminance. While darken luminance. Brighter will blow out, so we darken. While darkening, saturation may increase, so we reduce saturation slightly. This is one method. Second method, use brush. Paint the area we want to change. Then adjust exposure and color. Color exposure color. Not too strong or it looks fake. Keep it subtle, slightly lower. This is brush adjustment, including warm areas. Where you want golden, you can paint with brush. Then, raise contrast. Exposure up or down, you decide and OK. When done OK, you can, if too strong, go back and tweak, or lower opacity slightly. That works. This image is not complete.